So we can I've simply put a saturation on this. Okay, now you can see how it can look. Okay, just like that. We are going to change. Okay, a little bit like that. So we are trying to create a background for this picture right here. So what we do, we simply go to this color selection, and then we go direct into high saturation or balancing. So after that, you select that. You can simply come here and put change any color that you want. So whatever you want to be there, you can simply size it like that. So using Photoshop, it can help us to do a bunch of cool stuff with it. So you can see now I can even do it. I can open it. Is like brightening the picture. Okay, I'm making it look cool. Okay, something like that. So okay, I think I'm satisfied with that. So okay, let's me a little bit do that. Okay, all right, so there we have it, and let me do the next move. You can even resize it. Okay, whatever you want to do with this, you can do it. So let me leave it that way. The next move right now is simple. Let me put in this. There's something I want to put there. Okay, copy as. Okay, you will see this one right here. Let me put this. So this one we are gonna also to put it there. Okay, let's put it here on this place right here. We can drop it there. So we are going to take it, okay, on top, just like that. Hold on. Okay, there we have it. We are going simply put it somewhere here, and we can duplicate it right here, and we also can duplicate it right there. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. Being a beautiful movement on trying to show you guys how to do saturation. Okay, you can do better than this. So thank you guys for watching. Bye bye. You have any question, please drop it there. If you want also to support me, subscribe to my channel. And okay, thank you.